just getting comfortable, either sitting or lying on the couch, on the floor, closing your eyes, taking a deep breath, and giving yourself permission to relax. As you allow your body just to begin to settle, become aware that it does take a few minutes for the body just to come down from being alert and awake into a state of relaxation. Beginning by just simply visualizing or sensing like you're stepping into a special space as you're lying there or sitting there, creating a bubble around you. This a bubble allowing you to begin to feel like you can distance yourself from your everyday world. As you step into this bubble, it's like you give yourself permission to step aside from any worries, any stresses, any burdens. Even stepping aside from any concerns about things going on inside your body. Stepping aside from concerns about things going on in your working life, from things going on in your emotional life, stepping aside from the things going on in your mental life, stepping aside from any analysis, reducing the vigilance of the mind. This doesn't mean you have to clear your mind. Your mind can continue to chatter and yabber away. But as you just allow yourself to settle into the space, you can become less and less concerned about what it's chattering about. Less and less concerned about how much interest it might have in whether you are relaxing or not relaxing. Less and less concerned about whether your mind is telling you that you're doing something right or wrong. Giving yourself permission to just come into this space right now where you no longer have to be anyone, do anything, not responsible for anything or anyone right now. The personality and the life and detail of who you are out in the world doesn't even have to exist in this moment. In this moment, you allowed to just be, to have permission just to step away and allow all stresses, all burdens just to begin to lift and fade. Using your breath to assist the body to relax. Letting the out breath be gentle and soothing, slowing down the system. Being aware that your environment, any noises around you, any sensations around you, can all just become part of this relaxation that you're experiencing right now. You can bring your attention gently to your hands and just focusing on fully relaxing your hands and fingers, allowing your breath to help you relax, as you just imagine that each out-breath relaxes the muscles even more, adjusting your hands if you need to. And now letting your attention gently drift up to your jaw as you let it simply drop and relax. Loosening the lower jaw, letting the tongue drop down behind the bottom teeth. Gently moving the attention, drifting down to your shoulders now as you focus on releasing any tension from your shoulders. Feel them drop down, using your out breath to deepen the relaxation of the muscles. Just allowing yourself to be calm and relaxed in this moment where nothing can bother you now. as you simply drift into a wonderful deep relaxation. How comfortable it feels in your body as your body simply drifts and floats deeper and deeper into relaxation. Now in a moment, I will tell you to take 3 deep breaths. With each in-breath, imagine that you are drawing any last bits of tension into one place around your stomach area, a bit like a ball of string. And then with each out-breath, this tension will simply release and become like a soft ribbon, gentle and harmless as it releases all tension in the body. So now let us begin. A deep breath in, pulling all tension into a ball, and then releasing the breath, feeling the tension melt. Again, breathing in, hold, 2, 3, and release. And now the last one, in, hold, 2, 3, and release. Letting your breathing return to normal as you sink deeper into relaxation, deeper and deeper, drifting and sinking down into wonderful comfort. Now in front of you, imagine a beautiful old and solid staircase leading down into a peaceful and special place for you. It's okay if you don't visualize it, just have a sense of seeing this space down below the staircase. And in a moment we will take safe and gentle and easy steps down the staircase to your very own special place. It can be any place you choose, the safest possible place for you to be. It could be a beach, an ocean, a forest, a room, a couch. In a moment I'll count from 10 to 1, and as I do so you can imagine taking the steps down. And as you take each step, feel your body relax even deeper, just simply letting go. Here we go. 10. Relaxing deeper as we take our step down to 9. 8. More and more relaxed. 7. Down to 6. Taking our time, just simply relaxed, and taking a step down to 5. Feeling so very deeply relaxed and comfortable. 4. More and more relaxed. 3. Stepping down to 2. So very relaxed. And finally 1. Deeply relaxed and peaceful. Imagining yourself and knowing that you are in this peaceful and special place of your choice. You can imagine this special place and perhaps you can even feel it. But here you are, it's peaceful, no one can disturb you here, and you are safe. This is the most peaceful place in the world for you. Feel a sense of peace flow through you and a sense of well-being as you enjoy this positive feeling in this beautiful place of yours, knowing that you can keep them with you long after this meditation is completed, for the rest of your evening, tomorrow, for as long as you need them. Every time you can think about this space, you'll feel this beautiful warm sense of well-being flowing through you, allowing this positive feeling to grow stronger and stronger, feeling at peace with a sense of well-being. Each and every time that you choose to do this relaxation or think of your special place, you will feel instantly calm and very relaxed, peaceful. When you choose to relax, you will relax deeply and peacefully, regardless of the stress and tension that may surround your life. You may now remain more at peace, more calm, more relaxed in this special place of yours, allowing the tension and stresses to fade away, just to fade away, as these positive feelings stay with you and grow stronger and stronger. Each and any time you relax, they'll help you relax deeper and deeper. You don't need to care about anything here. No matter what you might be aware of, nothing matters right now. You just linger and enjoy this special place. You don't have to go anywhere. There's nothing you have to do. Just rest. Let yourself drift and float. Drift and float into a sound and restful sleep. And as you drift deeper and deeper, remember your intent to allow yourself to sleep, as your body knows how to do this. You now understand how your sleep patterns work. You know that your body and mind really welcome sleep. So give it permission now to drift into a wonderful, restful alpha and then theta waves as you drift and float deeper and deeper into the beautiful deep wave sleep, choosing to release all concerns and worries. Nothing can bother you now. This is your time out. Nothing you think of is of any consequence right now. All important thoughts will return to you clearly when you are awake and fully engaged and have woken from your sleep. Now you can release the stress and tension from your mind, body and thoughts, no longer needing to care or pay attention or give priority to any thoughts. Just feeling yourself drifting deeper and deeper into sleep, feeling the positive well-being and warmth flow through your mind as you just drift into a sound and restful sleep. And if you note there's any resistance to drifting into sleep, be kind to yourself as you acknowledge past patterns and allow yourself just to smooth over and soothe any resistance, releasing and letting go. Feels so good just to release as you drift, becoming aware of how comfortable you feel, so relaxed. Your head and shoulders are just in the right position, your back well supported, less and less aware or caring of what you're aware of any sounds in your surroundings. As you drift deeper and deeper into relaxed sleep, your body will naturally be able to adjust to any discomfort without disturbing you. All sounds you hear can just become part of your dream landscape and allow you to dream and sleep restfully. As you drift deeper and deeper, just allowing any thoughts, worries just to fade into the background. And if you notice any that are lingering and sticking around, simply take that thought now, sweep it up as you would sweep up crumbs from the floor. Place that thought or worry into a box that has a nice tight lid. Put the lid on the box and place the box on the top shelf. You can go back to that box at another time, a time that is more appropriate, a time that does not interfere with your sleep. So So as any unwanted thoughts or thoughts that are trying to press for priority appear, sweep them up, place them in the box, put a lid on the box and put it on a top shelf somewhere, and then release the care about them as nothing bothers you now. Nothing gets to bother you now. Let them go and continue to drift deeper and deeper into sleep. Shift your thoughts back to those warm, positive, well-being feelings. Allow yourself to flow. Allow yourself to flow and drift as you drift deeper and deeper into a sound sleep. Just seeing and feeling those thoughts fade away into the background as you become more relaxed and nothing matters now. Fading as you become so drowsy, so sleepy, so relaxed in your peaceful place, feeling good and warm, comfortable, so relaxed. And from this special place you can easily drift into a sound and restful sleep. A sound and restful sleep, undisturbed by sounds around you, sounds like snoring or sounds your pet might make. The only sounds that will cause you to become alert are sounds that will relate to a true urgent situation, and you can trust that your subconscious will alert you to any such need of urgency, and you would wake easily in such case. But now, nothing bothers you, not even the sounds of snoring or other noises. Now you are relaxed, and nothing bothers you. Nothing gets to bother you now. If you should awake now, you will simply remember this wonderful relaxed feeling in your special place, and you will feel the wave of sleepiness well up, and you'll be able to easily drift and float down into a deep restful sleep once again. You now know that this is possible. You will now sleep throughout the night undisturbed and unconcerned. Allow your breathing to become so relaxed now. Allow your thoughts to slow down, wind down and relax. Drift and float into a sound and restful sleep, undisturbed throughout the night. You will easily awaken at your set time, fully rested and refreshed. Now there's nothing to do, nothing to think about. Nothing to do but enjoy this beautiful place and this wonderful relaxation and sleep. Nothing gets to bother you as you enjoy this feeling. Any time you wish to fall asleep, you'll only have to remember this feeling, and you will instantly feel that wonderful wave of sleepiness well up and happily relax into sleep at any time you wish to do so. All thoughts are fading now as you now feel heavy and so very sleepy, so relaxed, just drifting now into an easy,